Polite Power: Mastering the Art of Professional Complaint Letters. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into a very important aspect of writing complaint letters: maintaining a polite and professional tone. This is crucial, because the way we communicate our complaints can often determine the kind of response we receive. So, without further ado, let's get started. The tone of your letter is the voice, or character, that comes across in your writing. It can reflect your attitude, mood, and level of formality. When writing a complaint letter, your tone should be professional and respectful, regardless of how unhappy you are with the situation. Remember, the purpose of a complaint letter is to bring about a resolution. A polite tone can help ensure that the recipient is willing to help resolve the issue, rather than feeling defensive or dismissive. When starting your letter, it's important to be courteous. Begin by greeting the recipient appropriately, for example, "Dear Mr. Smith," and briefly explaining why you're writing. It's always a good idea to maintain a calm, professional tone right from the start. For instance, you could start with, "I am writing to bring to your attention an issue I recently experienced." This is the heart of your letter. It's where you explain what went wrong and why you're unhappy. Ensure your language remains respectful, clear, and concise. Be factual rather than emotional, and avoid using aggressive or accusatory language. For example, instead of saying, "Your service was terrible," you could say, "I was not satisfied with the level of service I received." After expressing your complaint, you'll want to propose a solution or request some form of action. Be specific about what you want, but continue to maintain a professional tone. For instance, you could say, "I would greatly appreciate it if you could look into this matter and provide a suitable resolution." In your closing remarks, remember to thank the recipient for their time and consideration. This will show that you value their assistance and reinforce the polite tone of your letter. You might close with, "Thank you for your attention to this matter. I look forward to your prompt response." Well, that wraps up our lesson on maintaining a polite and professional tone in complaint letters. Remember, the key is to stay respectful and focused on finding a resolution. This approach not only increases your chances of success, but it also reflects positively on you as an individual. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to refine your skills by writing practice letters. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.